Hey folks, Vinod here. How to clean your camera kit? Eco. So this is by no means any professional cleaning service, as you can say, but this is just basic cleaning which we do before any event or before or after coming out, from a dusty environment. So it is very essential, and you can do this for very cheap. You will get something called as a 5-in-1 cleaning kit. You can buy it off Amazon, Flipkart, whatever. Get it, please. It is very essential. You have to keep cleaning your camera regularly, and let's get to it. So first thing you need to do is use this blower. This blower will remove off any fine particles that is there on your camera, or either on the body or inside on the mirror or on the sensor. Okay, so first you open up and just dust it off. As you can see, there's a lot of dust here. You can just dust it off. There will be some fine dust which will go away as you do this. And here, after that, you use this brush. This is a microfiber brush which you can use, and if you put your LCD screen or anything under a light, you will be able to see that the dust is going off. So what happens is the dust will create spots on your image, mainly if it is there in the viewfinder or on the sensor. So that is the most essential. So if you are going out in a dusty environment, it is most likely that you are changing lenses outside. So that's when you will get all the dust on your sensor. After you do that, you can use this cloth and just wipe it lightly. Don't rub it harshly. If there are sand particles along with the dust, it can create scratches on your screen or on the body. So just make sure you're dusting it lightly. So we'll turn around, and as you can see, you remove this cap here. This is the mirror, and the same process continues. For this, it's suggested that you tilt it downwards so that all the dust particles fall downward. After this, you lightly brush it off. Don't use the cloth here. The cloth might create scratches, so preferably only the blower and this duster. So to show up the sensor, you need to switch on the camera. So turn the camera on and put the live view so that the mirror goes up. So this is how the mirror goes up, and this is the sensor that's revealed. The same thing, just blow off the dust. Once you blow off the dust, just lightly clean the dust using the brush. This is the sensor, is very sensitive part, so kindly be very careful with this. So once that's done, put the mirror back by pressing the live view button and close the cap immediately. And the same thing with the lens. Pinch off the cap, blow the dust away. So sometimes there will be some wet surfaces which will not come off, and that will be moisture or fungus which has accumulated on your lens or on your camera, sensor or mirror. Don't try to remove that on your own. Please take it to a professional. They will help you and do a deep clean of your sensor and your lens. So after you blow off the dust, just lightly wipe it off. All these are glass elements, so you need to be extra careful. If there is sand, it is going to create some abrasions, and it's going to damage your lens. So on the back part also, you do the same thing. You tilt it slightly downward so that when you blow, the dust particles fall down, and you immediately close off the back part. The back part is the most sensitive and it goes to the camera, so you immediately close it off, and then you close off the front of it. So that was the video for today, guys. I hope that was helpful, and it's very, very important for you to clean your camera kit regularly, if not before going out or every event. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel on Instagram and YouTube, and we'll see you in the next video.